ऐतिहासिक, शैक्षणिक, साहित्य व संस्कृतीची जोड म्हणजे स्मार्ट पुणेकर न्यूज.
With lifestyle-related elements on the rise, knee pain affects approximately 35 to 40% of the Indian population, highlighting the urgent need for innovative solutions. Excessive friction in the knee joint, incorrect sitting and standing methods, changing lifestyle, obesity can cause knee pain. Until now, knee replacement was the only option that existed when the pain increased. But now, where earlier the entire knee had to be replaced due to knee problems, now doctors in Sweden have succeeded in saving the knee by replacing only the part affected by friction. Episurf Medical AB has developed the Episealer individual implants for all the knee disorders and the EpiGuide surgical drill guide for the treatment of articular cartilage injuries. This treatment has been running in Sweden for many years. Now, Episurf Medical is ready for treatment in India. An announcement was made by former Professor Karolinska Institute, Stockholm, and founder of Episurf Medical, Leif Reed, in a press conference which was organized to inform about this treatment system developed by Episurf Medical for focal osteochondral defects and osteoarthritis. He was accompanied by Marketing Director of Episurf, Fredrik Zitterberg, Managing Director of Episurf Medical India, Mohan Nair, and Pune's orthopedic specialist, Dr. Shyam Thakkar. In the conference, experts gave detailed information about the developed system of implants as well as Episealer patellofemoral implant and EpiGuide surgical drill guide through graphics. According to a recent report, the first surgery in the Asia-Pacific region using Episealer individual implants and the EpiGuide surgical drill guide by orthopedic specialist Dr. Atul Mishra has been successfully done at Fortis Hospital in New Delhi.
नमस्कार, मी डॉक्टर श्याम ठक्कर, ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन, नी फूट अँड अँकल स्पेशलिस्ट. तर आपण हे आज जे माध्यमातून सगळ्या लोकांना दाखवतोय ते PFJ म्हणजे पॅटेलोफेमोरल जॉईंट इम्प्लांट, पेशंट स्पेसिफिक इम्प्लांट, म्हणजे गुडघ्याचे फक्त इम्प्लांट असतो. तर हा कोणाकोणाला मध्ये याचे प्रॉब्लेम्स येऊ शकतात आणि सोल्युशन काय काय आहे. तर ज्यांना वाटीची झीज होते आणि खूप कमी वयात झीज होते, ज्यांना गुडघ्या सांधारोपणची आवश्यकता नसते, त्यांना आपण हे सर्जरीचा उपयोग देऊ शकतो, फायदा देऊ शकतो. तर याच्यात जे असतं की गुडघ्याच्या वाटीचा जो सांधा आहे त्याचं मॅपिंग करून त्याचं इम्प्लांट बनवून 3D प्रिंटिंग करून ते बसवतो. तर हे प्रॉब्लेम आपल्या देशात खूप लोकांना खाली बसण्यामुळे, इंडियन टॉयलेटमध्ये बसण्यामुळे किंवा मांडी घालून खाली बसणारे, वज्रासन, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टीमुळे प्रॉब्लेम होऊ शकतो. तसंच गुडघ्याची झीज जे होते ते वयानुसार होऊ शकते किंवा आमवातमुळे किंवा संधिवातमुळे पण होऊ शकते आणि हे प्रत्येक गोष्टीमध्ये याचा उपयोग होऊ शकतो. फक्त की जेव्हा झीज थोडी सुरुवातीला असते, पूर्ण सगळ्या कप्प्यामध्ये नसते, तेव्हा आपण हे याचा उपयोग होऊ शकतो.
मेरा नाम मोहन नायर, आई एम द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ एपिसर्फ मेडिकल इंडिया. इस कंपनी को 1 साल पहले हम लोग ने लॉन्च किया था एंड अभी पैटेलोफेमोरल जॉइंट जो प्रोडक्ट हम लोग लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, इसका पहला सर्जरी हम लोग 9 मार्च को फोर्टिस नोएडा में करने वाले और इसको अक्रॉस इंडिया, बैंगलोर, बड़ौदा, दिल्ली, मुंबई एंड पुणे, ऐसे हर सिटीज़ में लॉन्च करेंगे. हम लोगों ने कल मुंबई में एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट मीटिंग कंडक्ट किया जहाँ के देश के सभी बड़े डॉक्टर्स आके हमारे साथ डिस्कस किए ये कैसे प्रॉब्लम है और ये प्रॉब्लम को कैसा लोगों तक लेके जाए और डॉक्टर्स को कैसा ट्रेन किया जाए और कैसा इंडिया में जो बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स हैं इनको कैसे ये सुविधा उपलब्ध कराएं. इसका हम लोगों ने बहुत बड़ा मीटिंग कल किया और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि इंडिया में ये प्रोडक्ट आ गया. पिछले 5 साल से 6 साल से कंपनी ट्राई कर रही थी इंडिया में ले आने के लिए. इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन वगैरह करके आज कम से कम 9 से 10 पेशेंट का सर्जरी ऑलरेडी हुआ है, दूसरे जगह का, नी के अलग जगहों का. लेकिन पैटेलोफेमोरल का हम लोग 9 मार्च को पहला सर्जरी करके इसका लॉन्च हम लोग इंडिया में करने वाले. थैंक यू.
Hi, I am Professor Leif Reed from Stockholm, Sweden. And 15 years ago, we founded the company with ideas building on patient-specific implants, considering the huge forces that act across our joints, especially in the lower extremity, where we have to counteract the gravity. So we have now come and designed a bipolar implant. That's an implant that addresses both surfaces in a joint. And that is particularly interesting in the patellofemoral joint. And it is particularly interesting to come to India to see how we can make this work here, because in India, due to cultural differences with a lot of squatting, the osteoarthritis and wear of the patellofemoral joint is particularly common in India. So our implants are patient-specific. We start with MRI images. We reconstruct the knee in a computer. We see how the lesion looks. We suggest the position of the implant in the joint, both on the patella and on the femur. And then we send those suggestions back to the treating surgeon. And then we communicate and we collaborate and agree that, okay, this is a good design. And then we manufacture that and send it back in a small kit of instruments, all sterile, ready to use. Well, we will now see. I think we have managed to create a study group here in India with some 20 surgeons or so that will start using this and start to collect data, because that's what we need, clinical data, to show that this is not only a good idea, but it is a proven idea to be proven that it works well. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Fredrik Zetterberg from Episurf Medical, Marketing Director. Our company was founded in 2009 by my colleague, Professor Leif Ryd, and has been focusing on the treatment solution for painful cartilage and bone defects in the joint. The first product was a knee implant system, and the first patient was treated back in 2012. It's a Swedish physio teacher, at that time the age of 56. He, as many of our other patients, has experienced years of knee pain prior to the surgery, not being able to live the active life we all want to live. It's more than 11 years since the first patient was treated, and he still has the implant in his knee, living an active life. In Sweden, it's very popular with skiing, which is his favorite sport, and he do it every year. When we deliver an implant, it's not a piece of metal. It's for us, we deliver the possibility for the surgeons to treat the patient and help them back to the active life. Derived out from this knee system, we further on developed an ankle system, the talus implant we call it. And now the latest product that we now introduce in India is the patellofemoral system. It's derived out from the experience we have from the existing knee system, where we have excellent clinical results, and we have added a patella component. And we're proud to be here in India and now launch it as one of the first markets in the world.